Hey y'all, it's your girl Beauty's Advocate here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I got these super luscious bouncy curls after a silk press. So let's just jump right into it, shall we? First, I'm going to spray my hair generously with the Kenra Blow Dry Heat Protectant Spray, and then I'm going in with the Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum, which is also a heat protectant that fights humidity, so it makes my silk presses last a lot longer. I only use a half a pump of the Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum because that stuff weighs my hair down if I use any more than that. After I detangle my hair with the wide tooth comb and tangle teaser, I like to use my Olivia Garden ceramic brush and start at the roots. I always use a concentrator nozzle and a brush. I don't use a comb attachment anymore. I found that the comb attachment kind of gives me heat damage, so ever since I switched to a brush, I've never had any issues. So after I get at the roots on the front and the back portion, I then go through with the brush and the blow dryer, smoothing out the hair, and then I go all through my roots once I'm all done, just to make sure everything is number one, smooth, and number two, dry. If you would like a more detailed video about how I blow dry my hair, I will link that in the description below. I actually created an entire silk press series, including the wash, blow dry, detangle, deep condition, everything for you guys. So if you need a more in-depth tutorial, please click the link in the description below. Okay, after that, I'm using my BabylissPro Prima 3000 titanium flat iron just to flat iron my hair in very small sections. I only do one pass whenever I straighten my hair just to minimize heat damage, and I love the BabylissPro because it just provides this amazing shine and it's so fast and easy. This entire process, blow drying, straightening, and curling my hair only took me an hour and 30 minutes. After that, I put a wax stick around my edges in the front and the back and just go in with a pressing comb. I'll link the pressing comb that I'm using below. It's by Golden Hot. Okay, and I will be uploading like a full review of this flat iron soon, but let me tell you, it creates the most beautiful curls, but that junk burns. You see me grabbing the tip right there, and I actually burned my finger right there. That tip, they say it's a cool tip, it is not. I burned myself on that silicone way too many times, and as you can see, there's metal around that edge up there. Y'all, so what I started doing is just grabbing the flat iron by the end closest to my other hand and just twirling with both because I was not there for burning myself. And what I'm doing here is I'm just pin curling my hair up after I curl it, just because if it cools down in that form, my curls will last for days and they'll last so much longer. So word to the wise, if you ever have a problem with your hair falling flat after you curl it, start pin curling it up and leaving it as it cools down, because it will just, you don't even need hairspray. That's the best thing I can tell you. I don't even need it. I just let it stay in that form while it cools down, and then they just stay. Whew, that was the last one. So this is what it looks like, and I'll be right back. Oh, there she is. Look at her. Okay, y'all, so I had to go get cute real quick. Spent about 30 minutes getting dressed and putting on my makeup because it was Valentine's Day and I just wanted to kind of do myself up because, y'all, I've been looking real rough in quarantine. So this is just me removing, girl, you saw that just fly somewhere in the bag. I still haven't found that clip. Anyways, this is just me taking these down, and I just love these results. I'm not like a pin curl queen, I'm not that great, so you see me struggling a little bit getting some of these out, but I just love how this came out. I don't actually comb through my hair with a brush or anything, or a comb. I just kind of take my fingers and twirl the curls in the direction. Well, sorry, I just stuck my foot in my mouth. I do if they're tangled, because that one was tangled. But what I really try to do is just, dang, that one was tangled too, y'all. Okay, sorry, I lied. I do it a little bit, but just to get out tangled. Anyways, let me just take my lying butt on. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed and have a great day. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Love you. Bye.